Hello everyone, I am Jessica Bandera and we are the reporter of Chapter 3, the Program Outcomes and Student Learning Outcomes. So before I start my discussion, let me read first the learning outcomes. First is clarify the program outcomes for teacher education. Second is distinguish the 6 levels of knowledge under the cognitive domain. Third is discuss the psychomotor categories and psychomotor domain of objective contributed by Sampson, Dave, and Harrow. Fourth, discuss the 6 levels of learning objectives and the affective domain arranged hierarchically. Last is discuss Kendall's and Manzano's new taxonomy. So, in this chapter, you will distinguish program outcomes from learning outcomes. Learning outcomes in 3 different domains: the cognitive, psychomotor, and affective. You will also be introduced to Kendall's and Marzano's 5 levels of processing information, mental procedures, and psychomotor procedures. So, I am the first reporter who will discuss the program outcomes and the student learning outcomes. So again, good morning everyone. Today I will share about program outcomes and student learning outcomes and how this change the way teachers plans and deliver lessons. So the shift of focus in education from content to student learning outcomes has changed teachers' instructional perspective. In the past, teachers were often heard about their concern to finish their subject matter before the end of term. Maybe because of the number of teachers concerned for outcomes was secondary to completion of the planned content for the subject. In short, teachers were more content-centered than outcomes-centered. So uh, before ang mga teachers are nag-focus lang sila sa kanang subject matter nga kanang matudlo nila unsay nasa syllables at the end of the term. Diha sila nag-focus. Wala sila nag-focus kung unsay dapat nila itudlo nga dapat makatunan sa bata. Masabtan ninyo nga sa past manggod ang mga teachers they are balikon ako focused only sa subject matter nga ilang itudlo after the end of the term. Naga-focus lang sila nga mahuman nila nagtudlo kanang ang mga subject matter kanang ang mga topic inside the syllables. Mo lang na ilang concern. And wala sila naga-focus kung mao ba ni ang dapat matunan sa mga bata, mao ba ni ang dapat ma-develop sa mga bata ang mga skills involved. Wala na naga-matter sila. Because ang naga-matter sa ila is mahuman lang to nila unsay nasa syllables. And mga teachers sa una is they are more content-centered. Mo nang gitawag sila nga content-centered. Kay they are just focused on the subject matter nga ilahang itudlo. Dili ang kung unsay outcome ato sa ilang itudlo. So, the new educational perspective requires teachers to visualize the ideal graduates 3 or more years after graduation and right after completion of the program. Graduation time as stated in institutional outcomes and program outcomes. So, but now, ang new educational perspective has shifted to become more outcomes centered. Kaya sa una content standard na sila. Then karon sa new educational perspective, kuan na sila outcomes centered. Kaya nga naman, this means na ang mga teacher must now think about what students should be able to do, to know, and value. Kaya karon manggod is kanang ginahuna-huna na nila kung unsay outcome sa ilang itudlo. Kung mao ba niya ang kailangan nila itudlo sa mga estudyante kung mao ba ni ang need nga dapat itudlo, mao ba ni ang kanang kailangan nga mga skills nga kailangan ma-develop sa ilang mga estudyante, the values also. After finish the program and even the 3 or more years after the graduation. So next is the Commission on the Higher Education, the body that regulates higher education in the Philippines, in its Memorandum Order Number 20 Series 2014. So, ang CHED sa Pilipinas, guide through the Memorandum Order Number 20 Series 2014, nag-require sila sa mga following program outcomes for all higher institutions, the ability to AS articulate and discuss the latest development in specific field practice. So, ang CHED nag-require sila nga kanang ang mga teacher is talk about latest trends in their fields. So, be effective, communicate orally and writing using both English and Filipino. So, it also required nga you are kanang makig-communicate well. Kailangan ang teacher is makig-communicate sila using the two language, the Filipino and English. Makasulat sila of any kind of writings or essay or what using the two language, which is the Filipino and English. Manay ang gina-require sa CHED. C. Work effectively and independently in multidisciplinary and multicultural terms. So, kani is, you are required also nga makigtrabaho ka effectively. You are also required nga motrabaho ka independently. And also, you are required nga kanang makigtrabaho ka as a team. Makig-collaborative ka sa ila, even though they are from a different backgrounds, different culture. Bisag asa gikan sila, basta kabalo ka makig-collaborative sila. Mo ni require. So, D. An act and recognition of professional, social, and ethical responsibility. So, required also nga maging responsable ka professionally, socially, and ethically. Last is preserve and promote Filipino historical and cultural heritage. It also are required nga motabang ka preserve and promote the Filipino historical and cultural heritage. Next is the some program outcomes are based on types higher education institutional or ang ginatawag nato nga HEI, because this determines the focus and purpose of the HEI. For example, kani is every type of school is lahi-lahi ang gina-focusan nila nga program outcomes. Kung graduate ka og professional institution, graduate show service orientation. Kung graduate ka of college, you kanang graduate joins various jobs, development projects, and public discussion to help communities. Kung graduate pod ka og universities, you are also participate in the generation of new knowledge of research and development projects. Mag-contribute ka to research and creating new knowledge kung graduate ka of universities. And also, kung graduate pod ka og state university and college, ang mga graduates also support national, regional, and local development plans. Masabla ninyo, every types of kanang higher education institutional, they have a different nga kanang gina-focusan sa program outcomes. Lahi-lahi og mga outcomes. Lahi-lahi og outcomes ang nag-graduate og professional institution, lahi ang outcomes sa college lahi ang outcomes sa graduates of universities, lahi po ang outcomes, program outcome sa ni-graduate of state universities and college. Na-explain ko naman no kaganina sa inyo ha. So, move forward ta sa program outcomes for teacher education. So, the program outcomes specific to degrees are programs spelled out of the specific policies, standards, and guidelines or PSG per program or degree issued by the same commission. So, aside from the general outcome, CHED has specific program outcomes for teacher education. So, aside sa kanang general outcome, ang CHED is nagbuhat siya og special program outcomes para sa mga teacher education. Like, para sa atua, gi-issued ni kadtong 2017. So, ang mga outcomes is akong basahon. A is articulate the rootedness of education in philosophical, socio-cultural, historical, and psychological, political context. So, as a future teacher, ang CHED ang nagkuana niha. As a future teacher, we are expected to understand how education is shaped by the philosophical, socio-cultural, historical, psychological, and political context. Muna gina-expect sa CHED sa tua. B is demonstrate mastery of subject matter or discipline. So, we are also expected na ma-master nato ang mga subject matter. Kay mga future teacher man ta. Pagka mo graduate ta, mo na kuan sa CHED. C is facilitate learning using a wide range of teaching methodologies and delivery modes appropriate to specific learners and their environment. So, as a future teacher, we are expected to use appropriate teaching methods and adapt to different learners and situations. So, we are the future teacher. Dapat kabaluta mo gamit ang mga any kind of mga teaching methods. Dapat nataan kay ato ang mga tudlan ng mga bata is diverse, di ba? So, D. Develop innovative curricula, instructional plans, teaching approaches, and resources for diverse learning. So, we are expected to create innovative curricula and teaching plans. So, E. Apply skills and development and utilization of ICT. And to pronounce quality, the relevant and sustainable educational practices. So, as a future teacher, we are expected to use technology to make education and better sustainable. So, gina-expect jud nga hawod na ta mo gamit og mga technology. Gina-expect nga kabalo ta mo gamit og laptop, TV also kung maggamit og PPT. Kaya sa panahon karon we are using technology man jud, halos nagagamit man jud ta og PPT. Dapat kabalutan mo gamit ana, kabalutan mo edit and also etc. and everything and anything dapat kabalutan na kay teacher naman ta na. Dili pwede nga ang ato ang mga estudyante pa nga mga bata pa motudlo sa ato, dili na pwede. So ang CHED isa na silang gina-required pod and gina-expect sa tuwa as a future teacher. So last is dili pa last. Next is demonstrate a variety of thinking skills in planning. So isa sa gina-expect sa atwa sa future teacher, ma-apply na to ang various thinking skills to plan, monitor, assess, and report students' learning. And then, next is practice professional and ethical thinking standards sensitive to the local and global realities. So, As a future teacher, we are expected to follow the ethical and professional standards, being aware of local and national and the global context. And then last is pursue learning for personal and professional growth through varied experimental and field-based opportunities. So as a future teacher, we're expected to continue learning and growing as teacher through field experience. So next is an addition in the program outcomes of teacher education as discipline. There are program outcomes of a specific of kuan. Dili ang ang CHED is nagkuan po siya specific program outcomes para sa mga different kind of courses or a particular teaching degrees na involve dito dili lang ang naay specific program outcomes sa mga BEd naapod ang mga mga BSEd ang Bachelor of Secondary Education, naapod ang Bachelor of ang mga Early Childhood Education, na ang Bachelor of Special Needs Education, na ang TLE ang Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, na ang Bachelor of Physical Education, and Bachelor of Culture and Arts Education. So, dili lang ang mga BEd ang na specific dili lang ang mga BEd ang na mga specific program outcomes. Naapod ang mga any kind of particular teaching degrees. So, that would be all. So, ang akong ka-groupmates na ang mag-report sa mga next topics. Thank you.